Hello to all my subscribers and random viewers. Another request video from you guys. This time I will show you a secret on how I make a durable, flippable, throwable, heavy and realistic kunai using only paper. This is a throw and drop test of my paper kunai. As you can see, it can pierce through the styrofoam and sustaining only very small deformation. Using paper with 270 GSM, we will draw the kunai first layer template to start with. If you cannot do it with free hand, just download the template in my channel community tab. But this tab is only visible to my subscribers. So, subscribe to my channel to download the template, and spread the DIY kunai. I first made 3 equal layers for sample. The goal is to make the blade pointed. So we will cut its edge by 1 mm, and increase it by 1 mm each layer. The second layer edge is cut by 1 mm. And the third is by 2 mm. As you can see, it's now starting to show a little of its shape. So I made multiple layers for it to form the 3D version kunai. Then combined it together using Elmer's glue. You can also use other art glue. Just make sure its color is solid white, not the clear or transparent one. The reason is that the clear or transparent glue dries very quick. This will give you no time to adjust the template while aligning them. So to avoid paper damage, just use the solid white glue. As you can see, it's now giving you pointed edge as the layers increases. If you find my kunai DIY video as educational, don't forget to subscribe, and turn on the notification icon for more future awesome and simple tutorial. This is the first side of the paper kunai. We need to make 2, for both sides of the realistic kunai. I'm now applying super glue to make the paper strong and solid. If you are still watching this video, and have a question, just drop it below, I will answer it as soon as I can. If you like this durable, flippable, throwable, heavy and realistic paper Kunai tutorial, subscribe to my channel, for me to reach more subscribers.